This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Kitchenaid dishwasher that's leaving the dishes pretty dirty at the end of the cycle. We're going to check a couple things to see what might be causing that. First thing I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and put in a bowl in the upper rack and maybe a glass too that are facing up so that when I run the cycle they should fill with water pretty quickly. This is just to make sure that there's enough water coming into the machine during the cycle and that the circulation pump has enough power to push water into the upper area of the dishwasher. So I turned it on, press the start button, and then I'll wait about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, if you open it up and take a look, they should be full of water. So it looks great. Plus I'm getting a lot of steam, which is a really good sign. If your dishwasher isn't getting hot, then the dishes won't get clean. The water level looks really good. It's up as high as the round heating element. It's touching the heating element. So I know that the water level is good. If you don't get enough water, your dishwasher will not clean well. If it doesn't get hot, it won't clean well. If the pump isn't working, it won't clean well. So we did a test for the water level. The pump's working good. It's getting hot. So a couple other things could cause it. One is improper detergent that's not strong enough. The other is the mechanical action of the water may be getting blocked by clogged spray arms. So I'm going to twist this little nut here on this middle spray arm, take it off, and take a look at these little holes to see if any of them are clogged. And it turns out that more than half of them were clogged with food debris. So the pump was trying to push the water out to clean the dishes, but it just couldn't. Also notice that the filter was loose. It wasn't locked into position. So all the food debris was coming through the filter and actually getting pushed into the system through the spray arms and clogging the spray arms. So you got to make sure when you put the filter back in that you get it down all the way low and twist it so it locks into position. And I also remove this bottom spray arm by twisting the nut on it to take it out. Looking at these, I noticed that almost all of the holes are clogged with food debris. So the dishwasher was trying to do its thing. It had enough water. The water was hot enough, probably had the right kind of soap, but there was no mechanical action because the holes were all clogged. So we're going to go over how to clean that up, taking out all the filters. And I'm going to look at this spray arm at the very top. There's two holes that the water shoots out of, and I can tell that those look really good. If they were clogged, I would try to pull the debris out of the two little jets or two little holes, but this one looks really good. So there's actually 3 spray arms, and first thing I'll do is I'll just take a sponge and clean the filters, just get all the junk off. The other thing I try to get all my customers to do is to rinse their dishes before they put them in the dishwasher, and that makes the dishwasher do really well and last a lot longer. So now here's the cone filter. I'm just going to rinse off any debris that might be on there. So the filters look good. Take a look at the spray arms. This is the lower spray arm. I'm going to see if I can get this stuff out of here. One way you can do it is you can pinch it and just pull it out of the little holes. Another is you can grab it with a needle nose pliers. Probably the fastest way to do it though is to actually push with a sharp implement the debris back into the spray arms and then let water enter the spray arms, and the water will carry the debris out and it'll come out the middle of the spray arm. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to push the stuff in with this poking tool called an owl. Push all the junk into the spray arms. Then I'll put some water in from the sink, and then I'll flip the spray arms upside down and let gravity and the water pull the debris out. I'll do that a bunch of times until there's really no debris left. The main thing that caused this to happen, though, is that when the homeowner cleaned the filter, they put it back in, but they didn't get it to lock into position. You want to put the filter in, down as far as it'll go, and then turn it to your right until it locks in. You can tell it's locked in because when you lift it, the filter won't come out. So now I'm having water go right into the middle of the spray arms, and I'm going to tilt the spray arms back and forth and then let the water run out. This is the middle one. I'm going to twist it, take it off. And clean it also, and then put it back in. Now I'm using a sponge to clean off some of the debris that was in the bottom, and then I'm going to use it to clean this black rubber gasket, the door seal. You want to make sure you get any detergent off that might be on there. We find that the best detergent for the dishwashers is the Kitchenaid Complete because it's really strong. Anything other than that may not have enough power to really clean your dishes. So one thing you can try if your dishes aren't getting clean is switching to Kitchenaid Complete to see if that'll help. But the things you want to look for is water temperature. Make sure it's hot enough, at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the water comes in contact with the heating element. It fills at least that much. And you want to make sure that the circulation pump is pushing the water around by doing that test we did early in the video. And then you want to make sure that all the spray arms are clear. I'm also bending the drain tube in a big high arc so that it'll help to avoid water from coming back from the sink. Here's the type of detergent they were using, which is not really that strong. So switching to Kitchenaid Complete could make a big difference, but this one really just had the occluded spray arms. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.